Hey gearheads and DIY mechanics! Welcome back to our WeeklyTools channel. Today, we're comparing two OBD2 scanners from MUCAR, the feature-packed CDE900 and the budget-friendly CDL20. We'll break down their strengths, weaknesses, and who each scanner is best suited for. So, let's get started. The MUCAR CDE900 PRO starts out as an enhanced OBD2 scanner. This powerful tool is here to revolutionize the way you interact with your vehicle's onboard systems. If you're interested in purchasing this scanner, we've included a link in the video description below. Before we get started, let's talk about what an OBD2 scanner is. OBD2 stands for Onboard Diagnostics, second generation. It's a system that's built into all cars made since 1996. The OBD2 system monitors your car's emissions and performance, and it stores trouble codes in its memory. An OBD2 scanner can read these trouble codes and give you an idea of what's wrong with your car. The MUCAR CDE900 is not just your average OBD2 scanner. It's a comprehensive diagnostic tool designed to empower both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Let's start with its sleek design and user-friendly interface. First impressions. Fresh out the box, the CDE900 impresses with its sleek, ergonomic design. It's got this 4-inch touchscreen that feels like a mini tablet, snappy thanks to its quad-core processor and 2 GB of RAM. Plus, it runs Android 6.0, so the interface is smooth and familiar. Now, let's talk about the MUCAR CDE900's real star power, the ability to connect to your vehicle's OBD2 port. This scanner is compatible with all OBD2-compliant vehicles, giving you the ability to access a wealth of information about your car's performance. Once connected, the MUCAR CDE900 provides live data streaming, allowing you to monitor real-time engine parameters like RPM, coolant temperature, and more. This feature is invaluable for diagnosing issues, optimizing performance, and ensuring your vehicle is running at its best. The CDE900 is packed with features that make it stand out. Auto VIN. Say goodbye to manual VIN typing. This scanner automatically reads your car's VIN, saving you time and typos. One-click update. Software updates are a breeze. Just a click and your scanner's always up to date with the latest car lingo. DTC lookup. Don't be left deciphering cryptic codes alone. The built-in DTC lookup gives you plain English explanations of what those engine tantrums mean. Live data recording and playback. Analyze data like a pro. Record live sensor readings and play them back later to pinpoint the gremlins. Multilingual master. Speak English, Spanish, French, German, or one of 13 other languages. This scanner's got you covered. For those who crave even more insights, the MUCAR CDE900 can be connected to a computer for in-depth analysis and data logging. This feature is perfect for enthusiasts who want to fine-tune their vehicle's performance or for professionals who need detailed data for complex diagnostics. But don't just take our word for it. Users around the world are raving about the MUCAR CDE900. From its ease of use to its powerful diagnostic capabilities, this scanner is earning its place as a must-have tool in every automotive toolkit. Here are some pros and cons about MUCAR CDE900. Pros: diagnostic powerhouse, user-friendly interface, DIY hero, bonus features galore, multilingual master. Cons: pricey pal, can be more expensive than basic code readers. There are many benefits to using an OBD2 scanner like the MUCAR CDE900. Here are just a few. Save money on repairs. By diagnosing problems yourself, you can avoid paying for expensive mechanic fees. Get back on the road faster. By knowing what's wrong with your car, you can fix it quickly and get back on the road. In conclusion, the MUCAR CDE900 OBD2 scanner is not just a tool. It's a game changer for anyone passionate about cars. Whether you're a dealer or a professional mechanic, this scanner empowers you to take control of your vehicle's health and performance. So, gear up, connect, and let the MUCAR CDE900 be your trusted companion on the road to automotive excellence. That wraps up our review of the MUCAR CD900. Now, let's look at the MUCAR CDL20 OBD2 scanner. The MUCAR CDL20 Universal OBD2 Scanner. Stick around as we dive into the features and performance of this handy tool that claims to be a game changer in the world of car diagnostics. Let's kick things off with the unboxing experience. The MUCAR CDL20 arrives in a sleek and durable packaging. Opening it up, you're greeted with the scanner itself neatly tucked inside protective foam, along with a user manual that guides you through the. Taking a closer look at the design, the MUCAR CDL20 boasts a compact and ergonomic design that feels great in your hands. The build quality is top-notch, and the buttons have a satisfying click to them. It's clear that MUCAR put some thought into the. Now, let's talk about the key features that make the MUCAR CDL20 stand out. First and foremost, it's a universal OBD2 scanner, compatible with virtually all OBD2-compliant vehicles. Whether you have a domestic car or a foreign import, this scanner claims to work seamlessly. Well, it can read and clear diagnostic trouble codes DTCs, which are basically the car's way of telling you what's wrong. It can also display real-time data from your engine, such as coolant temperature, RPMs, and fuel pressure. This can be helpful for identifying potential problems before they become serious. Navigating through the menu is a breeze thanks to the user-friendly interface. The high-resolution screen displays information clearly, and the intuitive menu structure makes it easy for both beginners and seasoned ears to use. Now, let's put this scanner to the test. I've got a car right here, and we're going to see how the MUCAR CDL20 performs in real-time diagnostics. It claims to read and clear trouble codes, show live data, and even perform advanced diagnostics. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. One of the standout features of the MUCAR CDL20 is its connectivity options. It not only supports the traditional wired connection, but also comes equipped with Bluetooth capabilities, allowing you to connect it to your smartphone and use dedicated apps for a more comprehensive analysis. So, with a little bit of research, I should be able to figure out what's wrong with my car, and maybe even fix it myself. Pros and cons. Pros: easy to use, affordable, reads and clears DTCs, displays real-time data, built-in DTC library. Cons: not all functions are available for all vehicles. So, what's the verdict on the MUCAR CDL20 Universal OBD2 scanner? Well, it certainly impressed us with its sleek design, user-friendly interface, and advanced diagnostic capabilities. Whether you're a car enthusiast or a DIY mechanic, this scanner could be a valuable tool to have in your arsenal. No matter your budget or experience level, MUCAR has an OBD2 scanner for you. The CD900 is a powerful tool for professionals and car enthusiasts, while the CDL20 remains a fantastic choice for anyone looking for a simple and effective way to diagnose basic car troubles. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, subscribe for more content, and let us know in the comments which OBD2 scanner you prefer or if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.